Hi, welcome. Good day. This is Tabang Paul Mbata. I'm a student at Boutique Code. Will be taking you through I'll be taking you through to my web development project, which is called WeShare. All right. I'll be showing you. I'll be taking you through the user side, not the back end side of things. Okay. So, but this is my GitHub. This is my GitLab. Sorry. This is my GitLab. I will show you how I'll be copying and cloning my project. All right. Just before we can proceed, I'm just going to quickly explain to you what's happening here. Our project is my project is called the WeShare Application, but it's server side. Okay, just don't mind that. All right. So the reason why I'm copying the SSH one is because I've already set up my SSH keys on my system, so you can use whatever that you have set on your system. But according to my system, I'm using SSH key. So if you have not install this SSH key on your system, you will not be able to clone this. Okay, very important. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open my terminal. Let's do that. My system is slow, guys. Just bear with me. Okay, great. So I will be displaying. I will be putting it into my CD desktop. Oh, I misspelled it. No problem. So now go ahead and clone it on my desktop. What did I do? What did I do? Git clone. Typing fast is a problem sometimes. Very important to note again that if you do not have Git installed in your system, you will not be able to do what I just did. So it's called git clone, then you leave a space, then you paste what we've copied from this side. Okay, so what we've copied from this side, you copy it, then you cd to, that's when you're saying cd, it's going to your folder will go to your where you want to save it. Okay, so I misspelled here. I said Giot. I don't know who that is. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and close this. I can go ahead and open my project on my Visual Studio Code using the terminal, but for the purposes of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and navigate to Visual Studio. All right, so once my Visual Studio is opened, oh, okay, so it's already here. So usually, but what I will do under normal circumstances, I will navigate to folders. It'll show me the folders. I'll go to desktop, and then I'll scroll all the way down. I'll see it here. I'll then select it. All right. So, but because I was working on it, it's already on Visual Studio. Great. What have I done? What have I done? Oh yeah, desktop. One. Great. We are here. All right, so this is my LMS. This is my source code. This is my main. These are my test. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean this project just prior before I can demo it for you. Okay, so for the purposes of this video, I'm not gonna take you through the code. But if you oh sorry, what am I doing? It's Marvin. Oh, my PC is very slow, guys. Bear with me. Sorry, guys. Oh, goodness. What is happening here? Come on. Jesus Christ. So I'm going to clean my project. Then I'm going to go ahead and compile it. Then I'm going to run my server for WeShare. Then I'm going to go ahead and open our application on browser, right? So I'm going to open my application on browser. Then I am going to take you through from the first step where you're going to have to enter your email, then log into our WeShare page. Then once you're in the menu, then I will then explain to you further on what is it that we need to do. Let's see how if this builds. Great, this is awesome. This is perfect. All right, so this shows that my My project is running smooth, no errors. Okay, let's compile this. One moment. It's never this low, guys. I'm not sure it's because I'm using this OBS Studio, probably. One moment. And also, if you do have an interest in going through the code with me, you're more than welcome to um, comment below, and then we are going to go through the code together. Okay, finally. So this is where my main code is. This is where Java is. This is where the server is. So we're going to be running this one at this moment. But now, just take it further. This is where my HTML. This is where the resources are, whereby you're going to find HTML, which is here, JavaScript, CSS, as well. All right. So we don't need this currently. Let's see if this compiles accordingly. All right. It is going to compile, guys, because I have ran it before and I know my code works accordingly. Okay, so my test pass, everything builds accordingly. So it is gonna compile. So no need to worry there. Okay, so let's go ahead and run our server for WeShare so we can demo. One moment. This may take just a minute. We're almost there. Okay, this is where we'll be opening our application. Great, we here, guys. We are here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my email address. Go ahead and log in. 1 second. Great, we are here. So what I'm going to do for your help, let me see if we still have okay, perfect. So there's nothing on payment request. There's no payment request sent, which means that if maybe I need someone to do something for me or to pay something for me, I will request it. It will show up here. If someone has made a payment request to me, rather, then I will see it here. If I want to log out, this is where I'll log out. But for now, this says people that you owe. I don't have anyone that I owe so far, right? But if this person has made a request, then that request will show up here as soon as I log in. Okay. So let's go ahead and dive into the expenses, right? So this is all about you are sharing your expenses with your loved ones. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my expense. So don't mind if you see the expenses that are here. Is what I was using to demo to myself, which is a practice. Let's go ahead and just assume that I have a not crazy but a demanding baby mama that wants money on the first of every month. So usually what she will want 5,000 monthly because she's raising a princess. All right. Great. Then we go ahead and submit this expense. So you'll see that the first of every month, I'm supposed to be paying a child support of about 5,000. And there's no payment request, no payment received that I've made, none that have been requested of me. And these are the net expenses of my child support, which is going to be 5,000. So which means that if I've made a request to someone, it's going to minus here, and that person has paid me, and then it's going to minus the expense, the net, depending on how much that person is willing to contribute to my child support. But it's my child willing to go all the way, so no need to make request to anyone for now. All right, so let's do okay. Go ahead and do the second one. Let me do groceries. Okay, so I do my groceries right after I paid my child support. So my groceries goes about 2,000. And then yeah, so this is where groceries will be, and then this is how much it will be, which is 2,000. No payment request. I've not asked anyone to assist me with grocery and stuff like that. So the total of the two expenses is going to be 7,000. So but now I need to look good also. I need to get some haircuts from Legendary Barber. So I'm gonna go ahead and add an expense of haircut, which is gonna be on Friday before it's weekend. I need to look good on a weekend. Let's say my haircut is 200. No, no, no. Usually I spend 250. Okay, it's 200. It's Legendary Barber, guys. You have to look good. Okay, so go ahead and say submit. So now these are my three expenses. Okay, the second expense, the third expense was the haircut. That is going to be 250. I've not made a request to anyone to assist me with the haircut, so the total is still on me. So which means I'm expected to be spending 7,250 combined groceries, haircuts, child support. But because I have a girlfriend, I'm going to be requesting a 2,200 from this girlfriend to assist me with haircuts. Actually, let me just say 200 is fine. I'm gonna request 200 from this girlfriend to assist me. And oh no, email. My apologies. I'm not paying attention, guys. Okay, my girlfriend is for. She can give me 200. I need it on the day before I go do my hair. Okay, great. I've made a request on the 5th of December, and it's for a haircut. The amount is 250. I have made a request of 1 second. Okay, it's supposed to show the request that I've made here, but it's not showing. Let me see if it reflects on her side. Okay, no, it did not. Yes, I know it's supposed to reflect there. I don't know what I did there. Um, okay, so even the request is supposed to be showing here. Let's go ahead and enter the email again. 200 foot and submit. Oh, my apologies. I know, I understand. Completely understand. So the payment request. When am I doing my hair? On a Friday. Okay, perfect. There we go. All right. So she has not made a payment yet. This is who I'm asking, which is my girlfriend. It's due on the on the 5th of December, and she needs to give me on the 5th of December, and she has not paid me yet, and she needs to pay me 200. That's what I've requested from her. Okay. So but because I am me, I have plenty of girlfriends. I have girlfriend 9, right? She can contribute 50 rand because she's a student. I'm gonna say she can bring it. She can send it to me on the day. Oh, that didn't go well. Student 9 date. Did it even go through? I don't think it did. I don't think it did. 50 rand. That's the balance. Okay. 250. It's not showing. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. Let's to see if the payment. Okay. So now it's gonna show that I've asked for 200 from student 4, which is for haircut. It's due in. So it's gonna keep subtracting days until that day is due. Okay. Still needs to add one more person that will contribute the balance, which is 50 rand. Let's do this. Let's do student 2. I'm not sure if. Okay. Oh, Thank goodness. There we go. All right. So I've asked student two to assist me with 50 rand, which is going to be the total of 20 and 50 combined. So it's going to be student four and student two who's going to be contributing to my haircut. So if you go to payment request, you see that I've made a request from two different people, which is the first one was my first girlfriend, 200, the other girlfriend, 50 rand. So if we log out and go see what student four will see. Great. So if student four goes to payment request, she will see that um I've requested for 200 because she works. She's gonna go ahead and pay me that expense. Great. There we go. You can see now it shows that she has paid me 200. And then if we do log out, right? And then we go to student two because I need. Okay, let's go back to me first before we go to student two and see how much I'm short. Great. See my haircut now. I've received 200 from my girlfriend, and now my net is 50 rand. Not bad. Can even afford this myself now. So, but now because I have girlfriends that loves me so much, student two is willing to contribute 50 rand. If we go to student two, guys, never mind this. This was requested a long time ago. What I was doing my demo. Okay, let's come here. This is for the 50 rand that I've asked for haircut. He can decide to pay me this 50 rand. Um, she doesn't have a choice. She loves me, by the way. And if we go in here, you will see that my haircut has been fully paid for because then it's been removed from my expenses, which means I do not have to worry about it any longer. All right, sorry about that. And we can go ahead and log out, and also student 2 can do pretty much the same thing that I did because now I was now an expense to her, and she made that expense, but she can decide to add her own expense, which is going to be nails. Let's just say she wants to do nails. She wants to do nails on. She doesn't want to stress me much because I've just spent a lot of money. Let's say on the second week, the following week. Nails are usually 300 maximum. Not those expensive one, guys. Yeah, not those expensive one. Okay, there we go. So she now has an expense of 300, but because she doesn't want to stress me, she'll go ahead and ask her other boyfriend. I know. Don't judge me. I'm not a failure. I've just spent a lot of money. She's gonna go ahead and ask 150 from the boyfriend. All right, and then she is going to. Okay, 1 second. That didn't go too well. Let's do student one. That's great. Now she asked for other boyfriend, which is going to be 150, half of what she needs. She needs. Okay, she can then go back to expenses. You'll see from the nails that she has requested to be supported with 150, and then you can. Okay, so now this is going to be combined. Made payment request. That payment has not been made yet. Once it's been made, we will subtract from this 300. So she still needs to pay 300, even though she has requested. Does not mean that um she should be minus from her net expenses. Okay, if she logged out and then she logs into the if the husband logs in, the boyfriend logs in, this is what he will see from his side. Payment request. The boyfriend will see a payment request of nails, and then if he pays, and then you will see that if you log out and we log in with my girlfriend, she will find out that the boyfriend has made a payment of 150, and now she no longer needs to pay the 300. She can simply make a payment. She can simply do her nails for 150 plus the 150 from the boyfriend. Okay. Then she'll come to me and impress me with the nails that she did with the other boyfriend's money. Okay, it's fine, guys. It's fine. We are sharing, as the application says that we share. All right, so that's it from my side. If anyone has questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section. If you want to share your project with me as well, you're more than welcome to discuss it on the comment box. Also, if you have any questions that you'd like to ask me, be it with regards to the project, of course, nothing personal, guys. With regards to the project, you're more than welcome to hit me up on the comment section. All right, that is it for my side. I'm going to be logging out back to my home page. All right, thank you so much for staying tuned with me, guys, and thank you so much also for watching, and thank you so much also for following it through. Please do leave your comment, like, subscribe, and share. My name is Tabang once again, and thank you so much. Have a wonderful day for now.